Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can download videos in 4K. So first, just open a new design, create a design, and just select the video, and just add some text. Please like and subscribe. Tap on share, download. And as you can see, I cannot change the quality of the image. And as you can see, I need to upgrade to use this feature. So in order to change the quality of the image, or the video, I'm sorry, I need Canva Pro. Now this isn't really a problem because I can use Canva Pro, or you can use Canva Pro 30 days for free. So you can just test it. I will leave a link down in the description in order to claim those 30 days for free. And yeah, you can test it for free. You can test out Canva Pro. You can get all the functions, and you can download videos in 4K. So let me prove it. So as you can see, I'm now on my Pro account. So you need to tap on share again, download. And as you can see, I can now change the quality of the image. I can also make it, less high quality, a bit better for social media, then for streaming, and for large screens. So in 4K. So if you want it, you can just download the video very easily in 4K. It looks very sharp, very high quality, and that's it. So like I said, you can try Canva Pro out for 30 days. If you don't like it, you can just refund it very easily. You don't have to pay anything. So yeah, I leave a link down in the description and in the comments, so check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, it means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.